Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bukola. In today's video, I will be showing you a tutorial on how to apply for the 2,400 euros bonus. But before I continue this video, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. So to apply for this bonus, the first thing we're going to do is to go to the INPS website and click on enter in my INPS. And there are different ways you can log in. You can log in with your PIN, your SPID, your carta d'identità elettronica, and your carta nazionale del servizio. That's your tessera sanitaria. So right now I'm going to go ahead to log in with my SPID. I already have a video on how you can create your SPID account if you haven't created your account, and I'm going to log in with the POSTE ID. So now that I'm logged in, I'm gonna go ahead to the search area, and I'm gonna type in bonus 2400. That's the 2,400 bonus. So as you can see, it's already even giving me a suggestion, so I'm just gonna go ahead to click the servizio. So right here is telling me everything about this bonus, this allowance, the COVID-19 allowance bonus, and those who can apply for it. So if you are, so those that can apply for this bonus are seasonal employees in the tourism and spa sectors, workers in the tourism and in the tourism sectors, the seasonal employees from sectors other than tourism and spas, workers in administration from sectors other than tourism and spas, intermittent workers, occasional self-employed persons, home sales workers, fixed term workers in the tourism and spa sectors, entertainment workers enrolled in the entertainment workers pension fund with at least 7 contributions with an income not exceeding 35,000 euros. If you are in the entertainment world and you are enrolled in the entertainment workers pension fund with at least 30 contributions and with an income not exceeding 75,000 euros. And you also have to know that if you've already benefited from the all encompassing allowance, you must not apply for this. So those, for example, those who have applied for the REDDITO EMERGENZA cannot apply for this bonus. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and click Avanti, and it's going to bring me to this page where I have to insert my details. So I'm going to insert my telephone. It's not compulsory. What I have to put is the cellulare. I'll put my cell phone, my phone number, and also put in my email address. And when I'm done, I click on Avanti. So right here I'm going to go ahead to click to tick this box right here. Then I'm just going to look at what I'm doing right here and just follow the steps. So I'm going to go ahead and click it, and I also have to, so here I made a mistake because I'm supposed to choose tipo de qualifica, so I'm going to just go ahead to choose the one that applies to me. So yeah, I'm just doing an example, so I'm just going to go to the one that applies to me, and I'm just going to go ahead to choose this. Then I'm going to click Avanti. So right here it's saying that in order to access the comprehensive allowance in favor of the employees belonging to sectors other than tourism and the spas, the requirements are as follows. So you have to be a seasonal employee in sectors other than tourism and spas. You have unintentionally terminated your job, that's you didn't stop your job, like you didn't quit your job. So between the 1st of January 2019 and 23rd of March 2021, and you have worked for at least 30 days between 1st January 2019 and 23rd March 2021. Do not be a pensioner on the date of submission of the application. Do not have another permanent employment contract other than the intermittent contract referred to in the articoli 13-18 del Decreto Legislativo, blah blah blah. And it should be pointed out that the allowance is equal to 2,400 euros, and it can be paid as supplementary amount of the citizenship income up to the amount due for the same allowance. So if you are collecting your reddito di cittadinanza, you can still ask for this bonus. And so in this case, the allowance will be paid directly by the means of your citizenship income. So, and this is not, this allowance, this bonus is not compatible with the ordinary invalidity allowance, and it cannot be combined with the emergency income. So if you have applied for the reddito di emergenza, as I stated earlier, you cannot request for this bonus. So now that you're aware of the information, I'm going to just go ahead and click Avanti, and here you choose your modalità di pagamento. I want them to pay you, so I'm just going to click on accredito su conto corrente. So you click that and you just put in your IBAN, and when you're done with that, you click on Avanti. Now you're going to go ahead to tick on these boxes, declaring that okay, the first one says, I declare that I have all the conditions laid down in the rule for the allowance I have requested, in particular the absence of an occasional employment relationship on the 24th March for the application of benefits, blah blah blah. I declare that I have not submitted and I will not apply for extraordinary income support called emergency income. Declare that I have not submitted and that I will not apply for the allowance provided for in articolo 10 paragrafo 10 del Decreto Sostegni. I declare that I do not have an elective or political office position like that. You're not in politics. I declare that all the information are provided in this form that they are true, and I'm aware of the criminal, civil, and administrative consequences provided for those who make false statements. So I'm just going to tick all the boxes and click on Avanti. So this part is just giving you information regarding the processing of your personal data. So right here in this page, you can, if you have made any mistake, you can just go back to correct your mistake. You click on indietro, and if you are no longer interested, you can click on abbandona, And if you are sure of everything you filled, you click on conferma and you click OK. So when you're done with that, you have the possibility to download and print your receipt. So you click on stampare ricevuta. Even though you don't have a printer, you can just download your receipt, and you can also click here which states esito, so you can see everything, all your details regarding this bonus, everything you filled in your application. And by clicking rinuncia, that's even if you've applied for this bonus, you can still if you can still delete it if you're not interested in the bonus. You can still you can click on rinuncia that you're no longer interested. And that's it, guys. I hope this tutorial was well detailed for you. I hope you understand every step-to-step guide. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I share a lot of things. I really appreciate your support. So thank you so much for watching. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye. Thank you. Ciao.